So this exercise is called many small breath holds. It's a pretty simple, straightforward practice to allow you to begin to experiment with the feeling of air hunger, as well as getting the benefits of relaxation, activating the relaxation response as it relates to these small breath holds. So let's go through this together so you can work through the exercise, and I'll begin to explain it as we're working through it, piecing it together. So begin simply by breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose. At the end of that exhale, pinch the nose, hold the breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then release, and then breathe in and breathe out. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. Have the tongue placed primarily, majority, at the roof of the mouth. As you're breathing in out through the nose, I'd like you to contemplate the feeling and the sensation around the nostrils. Let's do the small breath hold again. So breathe in and out through the nose. At the end of that exhale, pinch the nose, hold the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now breathe in and out through the nose. So what's going to happen over a period of many of these small breath holds is that there's dilation happening. There's opening of the blood vessels. There's a balancing experience in the nervous system. And there's a communication with the vagus nerve moving directly upwards to the brain through the brain stem. And that's allowing you to start to activate that rest and digest relaxation response. Let's do this breath hold again. Breathe in and out through the nose. Pinch the nose. Hold the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Soft, relaxed breath in and out through the nose. Make sure your tongue is still at the roof of the mouth and you're feeling relaxed here. If you haven't checked in with your posture, go ahead and do that now. Make sure it's feeling like it's upright, that you're not slouching down in your chair or wherever you're sitting, and just allow the spine to feel more enlivened, if you will. And of course, this is key for the diaphragm to activate to move properly, and certainly get all of the proper relaxation and activation that it's going to happen when you're breathing. So let's do this again. Breathe in and out through the nose. Pinch the nose. Hold the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release. And soft breath in and soft breath out. You're starting to feel some sensations perhaps around the nostrils, depending upon how blocked they are. If your nostrils are not blocked right now, you're probably feeling there's some opening qualities or freedom in the nostrils. And this is a nice feeling. Nasal nitric oxide pools in the nasal cavity as you're holding the breath. When you breathe back in, that nitric oxide moves into the lungs. What it does is it redistributes the blood and the gases in the lungs. This is a good thing, because what tends to happen is the blood pools too deep into the lower lobes. We need those gases to go a little bit deeper into the lower lobes, so there's better gas exchange. This is why we encourage in elite breathing for there to be nostril breathing 98% of the time. Let's do the small breath hold again. Breathe in and out through the nose. Pinch the nose. Hold the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Soft, gentle, in and out through the nose. As you're breathing here, you're not trying to breathe in any specific way. You're not trying to create good breathing here. You're just breathing. So even if it's chesty breathing, that's fine. Just breathe in and out through the nose as best you can. If you're having any issues with your nostrils, go ahead and check out the video on how to unblock the nostrils. It's super easy practice. Anybody can do it. And most people will find that it's very successful for them. Let's do this just one more time so you get the idea. Many small breath holds exercise. Breathe in and out through the nose. Pinch the nose. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. There it is. So we've done a few of them, and you could continue to do them. But maybe you'll start to feel over this short period of time that you feel more relaxed. You feel more concentrated. You feel like your mind is softer, quieter. That's a response because of the breath holding, the relationship with the vagus nerve, the relationship in the brain, the vasodilation that's happening. Blood gets to be flowing more freely throughout your body, circulating more freely. This is all good news for you and a super simple practice to remember. Many small breath holds activates all these positivities in your body, nasal nitric oxide and the vasodilation, and even a sense of balance in your body that allows you to quickly get some benefits. And something you want to incorporate is after your workout, after your training, you definitely want to calm down. Do the small breath holds right after your training, and you'll feel like your whole system starts to relax right away. And that's a huge benefit, even in a couple minutes. Check out the Elite Breathing book. All of this information is on page 63, nasal nitric oxide, and all the information there on the practice. So thank you for listening, and reach out to me if you have any questions.